Model, 1990 Talbot Express 1500 Petrol Full Camper Motorhome Conversion Spares Repairs. Body, grey, white, camper. Mileage, 52,206. Engine, 1,971 cc. Transmission, 5-speed manual. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Clutch is slipping and will need replacing. Condition summary, bodywork is below average with some wear and tear. Interior is in decent, average condition, still more than comfortable. This camper is equipped with all essentials, from a kitchen sink to a bed, making it a perfect home away from home for your next trip across Europe or to the English coast. Features: fully fitted camper, fridge, hob, electric hookup. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.